Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a clay mural art using Fevicryl molded. And surprisingly, this is my first time trying a mural art and I think it has turned out really well, as you can see. So these are the materials required and I have shared the links to all the materials I used in the description. So let's start. In this video, I'm not only going to show you how to make this mural art, but I'm also going to show some do's and don'ts that I learned while using Fevicryl molded. First, take Fevicryl molded. You can see that it has two parts, the resin base and the hardener. Take both in equal proportions and mix them really well. I'm applying a little powder here because it helps to prevent the clay from being too sticky while mixing. Keep mixing it well until you get a dough-like consistency. Okay, let's start with the actual artwork. Here I'm using a 14-inch diameter MDF base. First, I'm drawing the sketch on the board. If you find it difficult to draw the design yourself, you can also trace it using carbon paper, and that's completely fine. Once the sketch is ready, let's start with the clay work. Take a small amount of clay and start filling the outline. Give the clay the shape according to the outline. And here is one important tip I want to share. Don't mix a large quantity of clay at once. Mix only as much as you need for each part step by step. Because if you mix everything at once, the clay will start drying and it becomes hard, almost like a stone. Then it becomes difficult to shape it. So mix only as much as required and work on it step by step. Here I am using sculpting tools to make the shaping easier. You can also use these tools if you have them. If you don't have, that's completely okay. You can simply use your fingers to shape the clay. After the clay work is done, you may find some areas that are rough. So I'm using sandpaper here to smooth out those rough areas. After sanding, use a clean brush to remove all the dust. For the background, I'm using aqua blue acrylic color. In the second coat, I added a darker pink shade to the lotus, which made them look even more elegant. For the cow, I am applying the first and second coats with white paint. For the third coat, I am using an off-cream acrylic color because I wanted to make it look even more realistic. I used a real small bell for the cow, and I think it makes the artwork look even more realistic and beautiful. I am giving a golden color touch to the tip of the lotus and also leaves to make it look a bit brighter and shiny. I'm giving the edges a light golden color border using sponge. I'm also adding some small mirrors along the border, and they give a beautiful shine. And finally it's done. I honestly didn't expect my first attempt to turn out this well. I'm really happy and I hope you liked it too. And thanks for watching.